Brain development of a human embryo. Let's start at the beginning of when the neural tube forms. What is in the blue here on the illustration is a representation of the ectoderm, which is going to form the neural tube. The embryonic disc is folding in on itself to create the neural tube. Here you can see the neural fold as well as the early formation of somates. The neural tube continues to fuse together. The unfused regions of the neural tube are known as the cranial and the caudal neuropores. Today we're going to focus on the cranial neuropore as this is where the brain develops. Even before the closure of the cranial neuropore at 24 days gestation, some fundamental subdivisions in the early nervous system can be recognized. This includes the spinal cord, the rhombencephalon, the mesencephalon, and the prosencephalon. By the 5th week of gestation, the original 3-part brain has become subdivided further into 5 parts. This includes the spinal cord, the myelencephalon, the metencephalon, the mesencephalon, the diencephalon, and the telencephalon. The early embryonic brain continues to grow and to develop. These subdivisions of the early embryonic brain are the foundations that will develop into the complexities of the human brain. This flowchart breaks down the structures that are formed from early cranial development. All of this is amazingly done quite early in gestation. The neural tube is formed at 3 weeks, the 4 subdivisions at 4 weeks, the 6 subdivisions at 5 weeks, and the 14 subdivisions at 6 weeks. Now let's take a look at some of the views of the developing brain from a medial view. We have 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 8 months, and 9 months. Simply stunning. Let's see that again. 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 8 months, and 9 months. Now let's label some parts of the brain. Medulla, pons, cerebral aqueduct, the massa intermedia, corpus callosum, pineal body, and cerebellum. That is some very impressive development and formation from a simple neural tube. It's not so simple after all. Thanks for watching the brain development of human embryos. This video was created by Katie Woodford as a project for the Biomedical Visualization and Communication Certificate Program at the University of British Columbia.